Hello, this is F. Clementia Shiny Jennifer from the Department of Computer Science, and I'm here to demonstrate a programming on stack and queue using linked list. The header file used is hash include iostream and using the namespace std, and using the structure, and the defined variable is node, and inside the structure the data type used is int and the variable is data, and in node and it's star next, and the structure is getting closed here, and node star head is equal to null, and star top is equal to null, front queue is equal to null, rear queue is equal to null, and star temp is equal to null is the following declarations. The first function is void push, and inside the function temp is equal to new node, cout, new line, tab, and enter the data, and the data using the temp is being entered, and the temp is forward to next is equal to top, and the top is equal to temp. Next is else, the rear queue is next is equal to temp, and rear queue is equal to temp, and rear queue is next is equal to null. Next void function is void del eq, and an if statement is used where if rear queue is equal to null, and the output statement is empty queue, and the statement gets returned here. And next else, the temp is equal to front queue, and front queue is equal to front queue to next. Next, the output statement is element deleted, and it is temp data, and delete temp. Next void function is void display queue, where another if statement is if rear queue is equal to null, cout, empty queue will be displayed and it gets returned. Next is temp is equal to front queue, and cout, a tab space will be given, while temp is not equal to null. And inside the while, the output statement is cout temp data, where temp is equal to temp next, and this will be returned again. Here comes the int main statement, int main function, and in the char data type the ch is declared, and in int the n variable is used, where again a loop statement do while is used, wherein do cout first the stacks, second queue, 3 exit, and your choice, enter your choice will be displayed, and enter your choice will be given as cin. And if n is equal to 1, again a do for loop is used, do loop is used, where in do loop the output statement is one is push, top, display, or go back, or enter your new choice, and there also n will be given as the input. If n is equal to 1, the push it will be displayed, and if n is equal to 2, pop, and if else n is equal to 3, display, else if n is equal to 4 and it gets break, where break it gets terminated, and else cout wrong choice. Next this cout is it will ask you want to continue, and you can give it as yes or no, where y or in. And the next if statement is if n is equal to 2, again a for loop statement is used, where do cout insert, delete, display, go back, or enter your choice again, and again cout n. And if n is equal to 1, again is insert, and else if n is equal to 2 is delete eq, else if n is equal to 3, display q, else if n is equal to 4, and break, where it gets terminated and it comes out as the output statement is wrong choice. Next the while statement, ch is equal to y, or ch is equal to n, where it's yes or no. Again the if statement is if it is equal to 3, again it gets terminated, and cout, again it will be asking wanna continue, and we have to give it as yes or no, and if it is yes, again it comes inside the loop. Now I'm going to run the program, where it asks me that enter your choice, and my first choice is push, and my data is 2, and wanna continue is yes, and my next choice is spot, and the deleted element is 2, and I want to continue is yes, and again I'm giving the option as display 3, and it shows me as empty stack. Want to continue, I give as no, and the process gets returned.